Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about add required fields to pivot tables. Let's get started. Scroll to the pivot table. Hover over the pivot table and right-click your mouse. A pop-up menu will appear. Click on the Show Field list. And then the Pivot Table Fields panel will appear. Click on one of this field and then drag it to these boxes. Now, the departments are arranged vertically in rows within the pivot table because the department field was dragged into the rows box. Next, click on Last Drawn Salary field and then drag it to the Values box. And now the salaries for different departments are added to the pivot table. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.